Welcome back to Rare Oakleys. This just in, the 99 Straight Jackets Brain Dead Edition. So we're going to officially unbox the Brain Dead Edition, and we're going to compare them to the 99 Straight Jacket Museums that just came out, what, about 5 months ago? So sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Don't forget, of course, to like our video, give us a thumbs up, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a future episode of Rare Oakleys. And of course, check out our other videos, guys. We have so much awesome content, so much exclusive content, so many underrated videos, and I kid you not, there's videos on there that should have 10 times as many views, including the November 11th, 2025 Veterans Day. If you haven't checked that video out, definitely check it out. I promise you, you will love that video. And also check out my book. This is the second best book ever written. Very inspirational. Listen, I lived in a homeless shelter when I graduated high school, still managed to retire early at the age of 46. You can retire early too. Read my book, and all of your wildest dreams will come true. Links are going to be below in the description. Definitely check it out. And definitely check out some Texit coin, especially if you're into cryptocurrency. And if you're not into cryptocurrency, why not? Everything's going digital, including currency. Now, as a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice, but I am saying you should do your due diligence and check out Texit coin. Do some research on the founder, Bobby Gray. The guy is 100% transparency and 100% support. There is no other cryptocurrency out there like this right now. It's grown tremendously since its inception, approximately 2 years ago from when this video is being shot, but there's tremendous growth potential on the horizon. Just to give you an idea, you can purchase, at least now until the seats are filled, you can purchase a miner or two or up to 9. They will mine for you 24/7. They mail you, send you in the mail a cold storage coin, a physical coin with a unique QR code sticker on the back. That will be your digital wallet once you download the Texit coin app. And then if you want to withdraw funds, you can do that anytime, some or all of the funds. You take the coin out of the package, peel off this QR code sticker, and there's another unique QR code engraved on the back of the coin, which is your hot wallet. So at any time, you can withdraw some or all of the funds. But remember, if you do purchase a miner, while they're still available, you will get paid every 24 hours for the rest of your life. 137 years. Unless you outlive 137 years, I wouldn't bet on that. But the cool thing is, you can leave this to your children. You can leave it to your grandchildren when you die. How awesome is that? So definitely check out Texit coin. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice, but you definitely need to look into it. I'm going to leave 2 links below in the description. One is Texit coin's official website. Second link is our personal referral link, because as of right now, probably the next 6 to 8 months, give or take, there are still referral bonuses. But those are going to disappear too because things change. But check it out. 2 links below in the description. Do not miss out on Texit coin. Now, for those of you who did not get the Straight Jacket, the 99 Straight Jacket Museum Edition 5 or 6 months ago, in my opinion, you really didn't miss out on much. I was really disappointed in them. They're right here. If you want to see that official unboxing video, I'll link that below in the description as well. But they're okay. I mean, they're not terrible. Definitely overpriced. But silver and gray, black, well, technically Prizm black lenses. Really not that impressive. They should have, or could have and should have added some color to these things, but they didn't. But this was the box for them. Definitely check out that unboxing video if you haven't seen it yet. But today, we just got the Brain Dead Edition Straight Jacket 99s in the mail. So we're going to unbox those right now and compare them and check them out. So here we go. Oh, wow, they just fell right out. Look at that. Okay. All right. So set this to the side. And the first thing, of course, you're going to notice is that they have the Brain Dead box with the logo on there, as opposed to the museum box that the Museum 99 Straight Jackets came in. And again, those were released only about 5 months ago, maybe 6 months ago. I think about 5 months ago, less than a half a year. Let's check out the, it's upside down, the sticker, right? So you can see the info on there, the SKU, all of that good stuff. Nice shiny box, I guess. Which box do you prefer, this one or the... I kind of like the museum box, to be honest with you. It just looks like it has a better presentation, even though it's not shiny like this Brain Dead box. But of course, you've got this piece here that slides off, right, from the box. And you got kind of a normal Oakley box under there. Right? This is their newer logo on the box. Looks pretty bland underneath compared to the MUZM version. One thing that these do come with, though, is this reinforced torpedo vault. So I do like that. What else do we have in here? We got some, I guess, a little bit of literature. What is this? Wow. Who can even read that? Can you guys even read that on here? That's crazy. Who reads all this? I wonder why they even include this stuff. That's pretty crazy. But we'll just toss that back in there. Okay. Of course, the important part is going to be the glasses themselves. Wow, I can't even get this box back in there. It's all right. We'll set it aside for now. This is a nice torpedo case. It's got the Oakley ellipse, the Oakley logo. I do like this. I think that's a nice addition. And they should include this. Guys, these were $289 plus tax. So realistically, let's call them what they are. $300. 3 Ben Franklins. That's a lot of money. They're not X metals, right? They're nothing like that. They're not even metal. So let's unleash these things. So what do we got? We got, and this is nice too, by the way, if you guys aren't familiar. The case kind of snaps shut, right? Once you close it. That's kind of nice. And they have a unique microfiber bag. Now, one thing too I want to note, with the MUZM Straight Jacket 99s that were released about 5 months ago, the microfiber bag was kind of rough. It really wasn't that smooth. And I just remember that because I just took them out again because I boxed them back up. But this bag feels a little bit better quality, a little bit smoother. And I think this is kind of one of those brain dead collaboration logos on the microfiber bag. The other microfiber bag was just plain black, but it was a bad, it didn't have a soft feeling to it. It was almost abrasive. Okay, here we go. So what do we have? Well, we've got ruby lenses, and I believe these are Prizm ruby lenses. They've got the brain dead logo right here, right? You guys see that? Brain dead logo. They almost look like fire lenses, to be honest. They're not. I'm going to hold these up to the light. Yeah, the ruby lenses always have, uh-oh, is that a scratch on the lens? There's something, can you get this in the light where the, right there. I got to get it in front of the light though for the, see that? See that on the lens right there, guys? And obviously this just came directly from the factory like this. That's a little disappointing. Let's see. Hopefully that's just a smudge. But yeah, really not good to come. Yeah, it's just a smudge. Okay, we're good. So I think it's just a smudge. Wait a minute. Maybe we'll have to figure that out in a little bit here. No, looks like there's something on the lens. Yeah, directly from Oakley. And it looks like there's a little tiny thing on the lens there. Now, here's my thing, guys. Look at these flames. I mean, I don't even know. Those aren't, I thought they were like a light gray. They're almost like a, I don't know. That color doesn't look, it doesn't look like it matches the glasses, right? It's some off color. It's not gray. It's almost like a very dull blue-green color for the flames. And of course, the frame itself is dark gray. The Oakley icon, or the ellipse, it looks like a polished black chrome, which I suppose is okay. I think it would have been nice if it was a satin silver. I don't know if the color combo there looks that great. So you can kind of compare them, right? Side by side there. And let me give you guys a close-up of these. But yeah, I'm not really impressed with the color combo there. Color combo could be a lot better, in my opinion, especially with those flames. Those flames, it almost looks like they didn't have a lot of color in here. It almost looks like they basically reversed, right? In the 99 MUZM collection, they got silver with dark gray flames. Now they got a dark gray frame with some weird colored flames, and they put a ruby lens in there. Now, this is just my opinion, but what they should have done, what they could have and should have and would have but didn't do, was do a Prizm polarized sapphire lens and blue flames. If you guys remember the original straight jackets from 1999 and early 2000s, the flames, they weren't one consistent color. They were like an orange to a red. They would fade, right? Or the Sunglass Hut exclusive, which later became available through other chains as well, were they were emerald. They had the jet black frame with the emerald lenses and green flames, but you had some color coordination in there. There's no color coordination here. We've already seen an orange. I know this is technically Prizm Ruby, but I don't care that much about the Prizm lens. We've already seen orange lenses. We've seen fire lenses in the originals. Why not do a lens that we haven't seen yet? They should have done Prizm Sapphire, Prizm Polarized Sapphire, and blue flames, and probably had a black or jet black frame for the contrast. But I guess they're okay. I don't know what's up with that lens, but I'll try to have to clean that again. But just so you know what these look like, of course. And I've got a medium head, not huge, not small, maybe slightly on the smaller side, but this is what they'll look like on you. So listen, if you guys missed out on these, you didn't miss out on much. The colors aren't that great. The price tag is really overwhelming. The colors are underwhelming. We just saw a pair come out 5 months ago. Now they're releasing them again. There's no serial number on these. You don't know how many were made. Hang on, I'm going to turn the light back on there. Hang on for a second. You don't know how many were made. And it's just, I'm not impressed with these. And then they slap on a $300 price tag. I mean, I guess the only other saving grace is they did come with this metal torpedo vault, which is cool, but still, $300 for these? These should probably be about $160. Maybe with the case, $170, $180 max, $170, $180 max. But they're charging $300 for these. So why did I buy them? I'm bashing them. I'm whatever. Well, number one, I bought them so you didn't have to. You're welcome. Number two, I got an awesome discount. Read my book. Did I mention the links are in the description? Number three, I got a brand new credit card and I got to spend 5 G's in the next 90 days to get $750 cash back. Again, read my book. I got all kinds of tips and tricks to get free money and free stuff. But otherwise, honestly, I wouldn't have picked these up. And who knows, maybe I'll sell them. Maybe I'll send them back. It looks like they got a little issue in the lens too. Brand new from the factory. It's like luxottica trash. Doesn't take care of their stuff. Oh, well, anyway, we'll see if we can get that off of there later. But let us know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you next time on Rare Oakleys.